in 3, 2, 1, go!
And beginning the autonomous period, we have Red Alliance with the Static Eagles quickly moving the score on the high chamber for the Red Alliance with 5064 Aperture Science doing the same for the Blue Alliance. Over here, we also have Robo 10 moving on into the high basket for the Blue Alliance with 4 neutral samples. Flying Saucers moving in, attempting to score in that high basket, but it seems that they're having some control issues over here. We'll see how that goes. And that ends the autonomous period with 5 high specimens for the Blue Alliance, 3 on the red, and 5 in the high sample for the Blue Alliance. That moves us into driver control with 298 Robo-10 scoring another sample in that high basket for the Blue Alliance. Aperture Science in that submersible with the Flying Saucers and Static Eagles to attempt to get some samples to move to their observation zones. They are successful on that. 1 minute 40 seconds left in this match with 104 Static Eagles scoring into that high sample for the Red Alliance. 15298, that's Robo-10 scoring into that high basket for the Blue Alliance. My apologies on that, folks. Red Alliance unfortunately gets a controlling penalty by the referees. Moving on to 298, that's Flying Saucers scoring into the high basket with another sample. Robo-10 continuing to play samples into that high basket for the Blue Alliance. I can't even count how many those are. Moving on to the Red Alliance, we have 104. That's the Static Eagles scoring a red sample into that high basket for the Red Alliance with 858. The Flying Saucers currently have 5 specimens onto the Red Alliance high bar with 5064. That's Aperture Science scoring onto that high chamber. 40 seconds left, folks. .30 seconds left starts the endgame period with 298, the Robo-10, moving into the high sample, scoring more, practically overflowing at this point. Red Alliance Flying Saucers scoring more samples onto that, specimens onto that high chamber. Ooh, with 298 overflowing their bin to the point where it actually threw it to the referees. 10 seconds left. Robots surprisingly are not moving to hang. Now they are. That's Flying Saucer going onto that high bar. 3 seconds left. They are currently hanging. That's a level 3 ascent zone, as does 298 Robo-10 and Aperture Science Park. And it goes to the Blue Alliance with a score of 361 to 211.